Hi everyone, today I will show you how to turn on touch sensors on Sony ULT Wear headphones. Let's get started. At first, we'll have to turn on our headphones with this button over here. As you can see, they're working. Now we have to go to the Sony headphones app, click connect, or we don't have to click. As we can see, our phone automatically connects with our headphones. After that, we have to go to the System tab. As we can see, there is a tab, Touch Sensor Control Panel. We have to turn it on. And as we can see, our headphones are now working with Touch Sensor Control Panel. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Leave a comment, share. Thanks for watching, goodbye.